Good afternoon, everyone. Curry College 2 for the forecast. Joe Shaka here. It's been a couple of weeks since the video has been done. But anyway, we have something we can talk about today. And let's take a look here at this morning. What was a tropical storm, Emily, that developed here off the west coast of Florida. And then obviously got named and was able to become named by the NHC, develop, and then come on into Florida this afternoon. So you can see here, here's a 2 o'clock track. The 2 o'clock status, low-grade tropical storm still moving off to the east at 10. And then things are going to get interesting. We're going to take a look here at how this may be, if not underdone, or the track may be a little bit too far south and east. But, again, here is the official NHC track. And we're going to take a look at some of the models, because I think that if this thing can get stronger early, when it comes off, by tomorrow night, if it can take the left side of this cone, if not even be a little bit further northwest than that, let me switch my color, if it were to take a track maybe like this, as some of the modeling indicates, and there's going to be a trough coming in over the central part of the United States not say early, but in a few days, so that is, early, I guess. But in any case, there's going to be a trough coming in. And if we have, a decent system here continuing to develop over the warm water, that this may take a track like this and maybe even come close to New England here, or within the, what is this? I forget the benchmark, the 40-70 mark right here, where I have the mouse. So it could be a very interesting thing if this can develop coming off and then try to re-strengthen and get pulled up maybe by the trough that's coming through in the next couple of days or so. So here is the cloud shot you can see from GO16. It's in here, but it's spread out, so there's some thunderstorm development, but it's not a hurricane, obviously. Here is the ensemble track. You can see, again, mainly out to sea with the NHC track, but again, the strengthening threat that this may have coming in. And here's the high-resolution Canadian model you can see right here this afternoon. The center coming ashore. Tonight, it's over the central part of the state. Tomorrow afternoon, it's coming off, and then tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning, it's up here, and it's trying to strengthen. And again, this is what I just mentioned. If this thing can strengthen, like some of the high-res guidance suggests, like the 10-kilometer high-res Canadian here, that this is down to, it looks like about 1,008 millibars or so. So if something like this happens, and is able to do what this model thinks could happen, or some of the other models, with the other player coming in with this upper level trough that's going to be coming in at 500 millibars up over this region. If this thing is close enough in and strong enough, strengthening, moving off to the north-northeast, we may have to watch the outer banks of the Carolinas and maybe further northeast than that into maybe parts of southern New England, maybe by the weekend. So a very, very interesting thing, certainly here, developing. And then in the longer term, there's more stuff coming off of Africa, but we'll deal with that a little bit further on down the road. But regardless, an interesting couple of days, to say the least, here in the Western Atlantic, in close to the United States. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.